The first step in machining a groove on a lathe is making sure that the height of the tool tip is on center, and that the grooving tool is parallel to the cross slide. To begin, locate the tool at the desired longitudinal location, and lock the carriage to the ways. Then set a spindle speed about 1/4 to 1/3 of normal turning speed. Next, start the spindle and touch off the outside diameter of the work. Once that's finished, set a reference position using a cross-slide collar or digital readout. Then slowly feed the cross-slide while applying plenty of cutting fluid. If you're using a brush to apply cutting fluid, keep it away from the tip of the tool so it doesn't get caught between the tool and the work. If the chip becomes long, pause feeding for about 1 second, then resume after the chip falls. When the desired depth has been reached, retract the cross-slide. If the groove needs to be wider than the tool, cut to the depth at the midpoint location first. Then move to one end and cut to depth. To finish, move to the opposite end and cut to depth. To completely cut off the end of a workpiece, set up the tool in the same manner as you would for grooving. However, when feeding the cross-slide, continue until the end of the work drops off. The cut-off part should fall into a small container. Never try to hold or catch a falling part by hand. During grooving and turning, there is a great deal of tool contact and heat created, so whenever you're machining very deep grooves or cutting off large diameters, it's always a good idea to cut to a partial depth first. Then make the groove slightly wider before finishing. This will prevent the tool from binding in the groove and breaking, which can damage the tool, the work, and cause serious injury to the machinist as well.